Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 30th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see. So this Fibonacci I have on here is from the daily time frame. It's the 78% Fibonacci retracement. Obviously, a pretty big area of support in this move down, but we are definitely still, lower high, lower high, lower high. So what I would potentially be doing to tell whether or not we potentially have a much bigger pullback in process actually is, give me 1 second here, I would remove this Fibonacci level and I would potentially put a Fibonacci from here to here, because if the market is going to continue the trend, then it should continue to make lower lows, lower highs. So if this turns into a three-way pullback, bounces from a Fibonacci level, then definitely take it as a short. If it goes up and takes out this high, then potentially from this point on, potentially could turn into a much bigger move, like something like this, and this maybe would be like an extended ABC correction. So either way, that way you could potentially try to get the short, or if it breaks out to the upside, you could potentially try to go long on the first pullback after the breakout. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.